How to fix Roblox chat not working. So the fix is very simple. All we need to do is log into Roblox and then click on the cogwheel here, the gear icon in the top right. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go into settings. Now from the settings, we need to go into the privacy section, and chances are you might have this one enabled. Account restrictions are enabled. So we just want to toggle this off if it's turned on. And another thing that we need to change is here under communication. If it's turned off, then we need to do it or set it to default. And now also check these settings. So who can message me, who can text chat with me in app, and here everyone. So if either of those are turned to no one, then you won't get your chat to work, it won't work. But basically these are the settings that we need to take a look at and change. So just make them like mine and your chat should be good to go. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.